Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. My name is Amit Zaveri. I'm the Vice President and General Manager for Business Application Platform at Google Cloud. I've been building applications and application platforms throughout my career, including 24 years at Oracle and now for the last 15 months at Google. I'm very excited about what we are now able to achieve and accomplish for application development with no code platforms. It is becoming quite evident that increasing employee productivity, automating processes, and improving the customer experience while also driving efficiency are top of mind for enterprise executives to overcome the challenges ahead. IT plays a central role in steering the organizations in the right direction to drive digital transformation and accelerate the pace of innovation to meet the challenging needs of customers, employees, and partners. According to an Oxford Economics survey conducted in June 2020, CIOs in the survey are most likely to cite increasing operational efficiency as the primary goal for innovation, well ahead of other ambitions like becoming an industry leader, improving employee engagement, keeping up with competitors, and solving big picture issues. According to the KPMG CIO survey in 2019, skills shortage are at an all-time high with 67% of CIOs struggling to find the right talent. Unfortunately, there is a scarcity of qualified IT workers. I mean, IT staff lack the kind of talent necessary to achieve the goals of C suite executives and still struggle with obsolete legacy applications. And because of this talent shortage, IT leaders are increasingly turning to no code application development solutions to enable all of their workforce to innovate without coding. And armed with treasure trove of knowledge, your business users are best positioned to build and deliver innovation and applications using some of these new technologies. They are the domain experts and also understand the business requirements in detail and know the business processes like no one else. So, empowering them to build and extend applications can unlock many new opportunities for a business. So, let me share an example of a customer I work with. Solvay is an advanced materials and specialty chemicals company, and they are adopters of Google's AppSheet, an industry leading no code platform, which they added a new component to Solvay's digital way of working, especially in plant specific processes that were significantly paper driven. The company has successfully built a workforce of empowered citizen developers who are now building hundreds of applications. So there are 400 line of business developers building 1,000 plus applications which have been deployed now in production and has allowed them to reduce time to market and be much more competitive as well as productive using this no code development platform today. So, unlocking the next level of digital transformation by empowering business users, especially citizen developers, to create applications without coding is becoming a very good way for meeting the IT staff needs. This can drive the digital transformation within an organization much faster and increase productivity drastically. And to ensure control and oversight, IT needs to define and implement built in guardrails to ensure security and end to end governance. Currently, one of the main barriers to digital transformation and employee productivity is the limited resources of skilled developers and IT's inability to meet business transformation demands. This issue is leading to a delayed time to market for most business critical applications. And to accelerate your organization's productivity by empowering all of your employees to build mobile and desktop applications without coding, it's important to also replace pen and paper processes and streamline inefficiencies with custom applications. And to equip mobile workers and employees with the data and tools they need to complete their work faster, some of these no code platforms can really make your life easier when you're starting to do the last mile digitization. Let me talk about what AppSheet can do as well. So, AppSheet, as I mentioned earlier with the Solvay example, is a no code application development platform which can help your organization increase productivity and accelerate innovation, and empowering all employees to build apps without having any knowledge of coding. AppSheet allows you to connect various data sources, including Google Sheets, Google Drive, Microsoft O365, MySQL, Salesforce.com, and other applications as well. And uses an intuitive canvas to build and customize application that can be easily deployed on various devices as well as browsers. As you can see, AppSheet apps are used across the enterprise, ranging from in the field for inventory tracking and asset management, on the floor for facilities and management of equipment and inspection, in the office for IT ticketing and team approval workflow, and out with customers for event management, scheduling, and proposal and code generation. Here is a brief demo of how easy it is to build and deploy an application without coding using AppSheet.
Thanks, Amit. All kinds of applications can be built with AppSheet, but let's take a minute to look at how a safety management app can quickly be created without code to help employees get back to work safely and adapt to a new normal routine. In this scenario, we want to give the team a reliable way to flag safety issues and to make sure the right people are notified. A new process like this may start by being managed in a Google Sheet like this one. By connecting the spreadsheet to AppSheet, I can start creating an interface with calendars, maps, dashboards, and other templated view types. In this case, I'm creating views that help users share and address safety issues like crowded spaces, low PPE supply levels, or surfaces that need to be cleaned. Next, automated workflows can be added to send notifications, generate reports, and trigger events behind the scenes. For this app, I'll make sure the safety team receives mobile alerts and can access daily reports in their shared Google Drive folder. Apps work on basically any device and are ready to share with the team after only a couple hours of development. Everything created in AppSheet is controlled by centralized governance policies to make sure data is secure. And since it's no code, these apps can quickly be built by anyone on the team to help folks get back to work quickly and safely. With that, I'll hand it back to you, Amit.
So, as you can see, multiple industry specific apps are built with AppSheet, the no code application development platform, to address the needs in space of telehealth, digital branch, buy online, pick up curbside, and many more. So, to summarize, to achieve digital transformation and increase productivity, it is important one, to enable your line of business developers to build innovative applications. Second, for IT to define and implement guardrails to ensure security and compliance. And third, to complete your last mile digitization by automating business processes and enabling frontline workers with mobile apps. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to learn more about increasing productivity by enabling your employees to create apps without coding. Be sure to watch our other videos to learn more about Google Cloud. Thank you.